Welcome to my full walkthrough and honest review of RoboForm, one of the longest-standing password managers available today. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how it looks on both desktop and mobile, and whether it's really keeping up with modern standards in 2025. RoboForm has been around for over 2 decades, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's the best option right now, so I put it to the test. Right from the start, RoboForm's interface is clean, but a bit dated. If you're someone who likes sleek, modern UIs, it might not impress you visually. That said, the functionality is solid. Logging in is quick, and the dashboard is relatively intuitive once you get used to it. You can easily add logins, identities, notes, and bookmarks. The password generator is effective and customizable, allowing you to tweak length, character types, and exclude similar characters. On desktop, RoboForm integrates smoothly with all major browsers. Autofill works reliably most of the time, although on some sites it still struggles, especially with multi-page login forms. On mobile, the app feels more modern and responsive. One thing I appreciate is how quickly Face ID or fingerprint login gets me access to my vault. However, it still lacks some of the polish you'd expect from competitors, like 1Password or Bitwarden. Security-wise, RoboForm uses AES-256-bit encryption and zero-knowledge architecture, which is what you'd expect from any decent password manager today. But unlike some of its competitors, it doesn't support advanced 2FA methods like YubiKey, which is a noticeable omission. Sharing credentials with others is available, but only if they also use RoboForm, a bit limiting for team or family use. The free plan is pretty generous if you're only using RoboForm on a single device. However, multi-device sync, which most people need, is locked behind the paid plan. The premium pricing is fair, but it doesn't offer as much value when compared to free and open source options. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another important aspect is customer support. RoboForm has decent documentation and live chat, but response times can vary. There's also no emergency access feature unless you're on a higher tier plan, which can be a drawback if you're thinking about long-term security planning. RoboForm does offer secure backup and sync through its cloud, but again, not much control is given to the user in terms of self-hosting or manual syncing. In terms of overall performance, RoboForm is stable, reliable, and gets the job done. But if you're looking for cutting-edge features, sleek design, or high-end customizability, it might not be the best choice. For users who just want a simple password manager without too many bells and whistles, it still holds value. If you're someone who's constantly switching between devices, or looking to manage shared credentials more dynamically, RoboForm might feel a bit behind the curve. But if you're focused on straightforward functionality and proven security basics, it's a dependable tool that stood the test of time. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech breakdowns.